In English, sentences can be structured in either the active or passive voice. The choice between these voices affects how the focus of the sentence is presented. Active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action. This is the most common sentence structure in English and is usually more direct and easier to understand. Example: she wrote the book. In this sentence, the subject she is performing the action of writing. Passive voice, the action is performed on the subject of the sentence. In this structure, the focus is on the action itself or the object, rather than on who is performing the action. Example: the book was written by her. In this example, the book is the subject and the action is being done to it. Understanding when to use each structure can greatly improve the clarity and precision of your writing. The passive voice follows a specific structure to ensure that the focus remains on the action or the object. Structure: object plus to be in the appropriate tense plus past participle of the verb. Example: the book was written by her. In this sentence, the booked is the object, was is the verbs to be conjugated in the past tense, and written is the past participle of the verb write. The passive voice is frequently used in formal or scientific writing where the action or result is more important than who performs it. It's also used when the person performing the action is unknown or irrelevant. For example, the house is cleaned every day. In this sentence, the emphasis is on the action of cleaning, not on who is performing it. The passive voice can be used in various tenses, but the verbs to be must be conjugated accordingly. Present: the letter is sent every day. Focuses on a regular action. Past: the letter was sent yesterday. Focuses on a past action. Future: the letter will be sent tomorrow. Focuses on a future action. In the active voice, the subject performs the action, while in the passive voice, the subject receives the action. The focus shifts from the performer of the action, in active, to the action itself, in passive. Active: she wrote the book. The subject she performs the action. Passive: the book was written by her. The subject of the book receives the action. Here are some more examples of sentences in both the active and passive voice. Active: the chef cooks the meal. Passive: the meal is cooked by the chef. Active: they build houses. Passive: houses are built by them. Now, try converting these active sentences into the passive voice. Active: the teacher explains the lesson. Passive: active: the workers completed the project. Passive: